It's in the game. EA Sports. It's in the game.
Hi there everybody, I'm Martin Tyler, Alan Smith is with me, and it's a friendly game on the agenda for us today. Our match today, Barcelona against Juventus. What's the feeling about La Liga and Barcelona? Barcelona and Real Madrid sometimes told that they only have easy games to play apart from the Clásicos. That's not the case at all, is it? There's some tremendous competition in this league.
Well, they're the team that everybody wants to topple, aren't they, along with Real Madrid, and with that comes a lot of pressure for the players that wear this kit.
Referee here is Sim Dybala.
The floodlights are shining down on the players here at the home of Manchester City. This is Derek Ray, joined for commentary by former England international Lee Dixon. And we've got Champions League group stage action to bring you tonight. It's Barcelona up against Juventus.
Yeah, the long road to the final starts here in game one. Always think that if you win your home games and don't lose your away games, you've got a good chance of progressing.
Number 10, Lionel Messi. Number 9, Luis Suarez.
Catalan, they say, més que un club, more than a club, and this has always been more than just any old competition for Barcelona, Lee.
Well, it's almost their own. They just love playing this competition. We always get good games when Barcelona turn up, and I don't think we're in for anything other than that in the group stages. They'll be concentrated because they're professionals, and that'll probably get them through to the knockout stages, and then we know what happens from there.
This is what we expect from the Blaugrana. Marc-Andre ter Stegen starts in goal. Sergio Roberto plays with Jordi Alba in the wide defensive positions. Ivan Rakitic plays with Sergio Busquets in central midfield. And the defenders had better be on their toes because leading the line is Luis Suarez. And this is how Juventus will line up. Wojciech Szczęsny between the posts. Blaise Matuidi plays with Miralem Pjanic in the centre of the park. And leading the line today is Mario Mandzukic.
Is underway, and sit back and enjoy what should be 90 minutes of fabulous football with Juventus very much to the fore. Arturo Vidal. Real good contest between these two as they jostle for possession. Sergio Roberto. He's got room to hit this. Barcelona have scored here. Well, they talk about moving ball quickly. That's what they've done here to open up the defence. Some great passing and a terrific finish.
Yeah, I think he knew what he was going to do before the ball came to him. All good players have that in their locker, and he moved it on swiftly.
It's the opening match day, Champions League group stage, match day 1 underway. Lionel Messi. Rakitic on the ball. An abundance of space. Still alive. Arturo Vidal. And he's made headway. Does he have the beating of the goalkeeper? We wondered if a goal was forthcoming, but it has arrived now.
Well, finally the deadlock has been broken. Not long to go now. How will that affect the opposition? Well, let's see that one again. It's all about the contact. Does everything right. He's not bothered where the goal is. He knows where it is. He gets a beautiful strike on it.
You can tell he knows the game. He had a sixth sense there to get to the right position. Cristiano Ronaldo. It could score! The goal! Right into the corner by the post. That was perhaps the place where it was impossible to save it. No goalkeeper could have reached that. It clips the post on the way in.
Yeah, really good strike. He took it on.
In the second half, trailing, albeit by a small margin. How should they be viewing this task, Lee?
Well, Juve not been at their best tonight, but they're still in this game. We used to say on the pitch, if we were losing towards the end of a match, we'll always get one more chance. Will they?
And scope for the cross. And you need your defender to take charge. And here's Blaise Matuidi. Ronaldo! And Juventus have done it! A goal for them! Level pegging!
Well, you tell youngsters in that position just to hit the target. You can't score unless you do. And on this occasion he does, and he scores.
Well, the goal again, albeit from a different angle.
Situation really as a keeper, but what a stop that was.
Well, the die is finally cast in their favour via the penalty shootout. It's been good fun, as always, and I know you will have enjoyed the drama of the penalties right at the end. From Alan Smith and myself, Martin Tyler, goodbye to you all.
Exactly what Barcelona were looking for. They have to be happy with a point here on match day 1 in the Champions League.
Well, he can't really complain. It's not an ideal start. 3 points would have been the target at the start of the night, and there's a little bit more pressure just been piled on them now for game 2.
And on the back of this, no doubt about it, Cristiano Ronaldo generating headlines.
Well, they say it's 90 minutes long. They remind you that when they're coaching you as kids. Play to the final whistle, and he did that, and he got his team the equaliser.
It's the opening match day. Champions League group stage, match day 1, underway. Oh, a lovely ball. Oh, he's through here. Luis Suarez with the pass here. Well, you have to say, he's going to be very cross with himself.
Well, how's he missed it? It should be the first goal of the game.
And blocked by Piqué. Read it superbly to take back possession. Just found wanting in terms of the finish then. Now here's Arturo Vidal. And he's made headway. Does he have the beating of the goalkeeper? And here's Blaise Matuidi. Ronaldo!